What's going on, guys? Cole Simonson here today, and we are covering part 2 of our Hunting Out West series. If you missed part 1, check it out right up here. But today is where we cover choosing your species and where to hunt in that state you're hunting in. So, real quick, easiest part of this whole process is choosing the species you want to hunt. So a lot of people have antelope, mule deer, western whitetail, elk. They're all on the list, and you know exactly what you want to hunt. Now is for the difficult part. This part is actually choosing the area that you want to hunt. But I'm going to walk you through it here. A couple really simple, easy steps to take to make your choice a little bit better. So just follow me along on the computer. I'll make it easy as I can, and as always, don't forget to hit the like button and comment below with any questions or criticisms. Okay, so the first thing I do is I go to the state I want to hunt on Onyx Maps. Very, very helpful tool here. So we're going to go to Wyoming, and we're going to click on our map layers and go down to our Wyoming hunt areas, and we're going to choose antelope over here. So then we have all these antelope areas in the entire state, and the first thing I always do is look for the most public land and the best public land. So right down here, we're in the southwestern part towards Rawlins and Rock Springs. Tremendous goat hunting down here. And as you can see, we have a ton of BLM and little state chunks here and there. And there's already one main road, access road right there. If you zoom in all the way down in here, all the way down in here, you can just see the little access roads right there. So there's a lot of access in this unit. That's the number one thing I always look for, other than public land, is the access in these units. So now that we kind of have a general idea of where we want to hunt and how we want to hunt it, and that we actually have access in this unit, we can actually go to the Game and Fish website. And every other Game and Fish website I've looked at is just like this. So we're going to just go hunting in Wyoming. And it's really nice because Wyoming has this hunt planner right here. And it's simple. It gets you started right away and says select a species. We're just going to go antelope. And you can choose everything else across the board there, but it gives you a little bit of the definitions and everything like that. But we're going to scroll down to ready to begin, and it has an interactive map on the side here, which is really nice too. It also gives you a look at public lands. It's not as defined as Onyx Maps is, but it gives you a good look there. So we're gonna scroll down. Let's check out area 61 right out of Rawlins. Okay, it has a ton of BLM. You can see by the yellow and little square chunks right there. This is all checkered right here too. But let's check out area 61. So right there, we're going to go back and select our hunt area. Scroll down, area 61 right there. Now, it'll give you the type that is allowed, 61 type 1, and it says any antelope. Gives you the seasons and then the special archery dates. That's just the basic info, but really cool. Go to view detailed info right here. And it gives you a look at the map. First off, you can zoom in here if you want, or zoom out. And we'll start with available license, buck any. So there you go. It'll give you the full price license there if you want to. And then let's since this is out of state hunt for everyone, let's go down to resident drawing odds. And it'll give us our buck and draw odds. Now, this is an extremely tough area to draw because of how high of quality trophies there are. So you're looking at less than 11 preference points, it's 0%, less than 12 is 50, 12 is 100, and 13 is 100. So if you've been putting in for a long time and you really want a trophy hunt, this is an exceptional area for it. And then it goes through the first choice applicants right there, the quotas and the preference points. It really just puts everything out there right to you. You can also go down here and get your info and your harvest reports. Always look at the harvest reports because it'll actually give you the success rate of the hunters. And 73 antelopes were harvested, 81% hunter success, which is really good. It's really good success rate. And then it'll actually even give you public access info. Approximately 75% of it is public land, which is awesome. And a walk-in hunting. And it'll give you a walk-in area. So it really just lines it all out for you. Very, very easy to follow. And this is just, it really helps a hunter plan out the exact hunt he wants and really helps narrow down your areas. So this is absolutely fantastic. Like I said, it's just, it lines it out for you and makes life easier. You can do, if you just sit on the website and look at it for a while, you can really narrow down your searches to most success rate from drawing, or the easiest tags to draw and the best success rates. Find your public land, and it'll make your life way easier when it comes to choosing which tags you want to apply for. So I really do hope you guys like this little quick tutorial on how I find areas I want to hunt. You can go way more in depth on this, which I highly recommend. Always looking at the area, making sure you have public access roads, the trophy quality is good, the hunt success rates are good. It'll just make your experience so much better out here, and hopefully you're able to take the trophy that you want. And as always, if you have any questions regarding legality or any in-depth questions, the Game and Fish in our states are extremely helpful. They want you to come here, they want you to hunt. That's where their money comes from. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and comment below, and I hope you guys have an awesome season, and I hope you get the tag of a lifetime and come hunt out west. Well, thanks, and have a great day.